Hey, what's up? It's Craig Smith with Energy Up Solar, and today I'm going to discuss the reason why people who could have solar don't already have solar. Now, this might shock you, but there's only two reasons that people don't have solar when they actually could. So, this doesn't count people who maybe they rent, you can't have solar, or they can't pass credit. I'm talking about people who could have solar. They could say yes and have solar tomorrow, but they don't. And there's only two reasons. It's trust and understanding. So they either don't trust it or they don't understand it. And those two could kind of be, can cross over each other as well. You could not trust it because you don't understand it. But the reason most people don't understand it is because they go online to get information, they Google stuff, they call people who have solar and ask them questions, and they don't even know much about the solar that they have. Because what'll shock you is even people who have solar, they got solar from a rep or a company that didn't really explain it, and they don't even really know what they have. They kind of understand it, sort of, but they really don't even understand it. So there's a huge bucket of people out there that don't understand solar. That's 99% of the people don't understand it. So now some people say, no, I understand it, Craig, but it's too expensive. I looked at it and it was just way too much. Well, I would say that you say that because you don't understand it. And I'm not saying that solar's cheap or it's free. Actually, I have a video on it that says free solar is a lie. Watch that video, subscribe to our channel, and watch the video Free Solar is a Lie, and it'll help you better understand that solar's not expensive. It's not free, but it's not expensive. But have you guys ever had somebody explain something to you and you had like an aha moment? So maybe it was a math problem, maybe it was multiplication, maybe it was a word problem, maybe it was how something works in science or the universe, or how it could have been anything that you didn't quite understand. You were fuzzy on it, and then they showed you a better way to see it, and you had an aha moment. You were like, oh my God, it makes sense now. The pieces fit. The puzzle's clear. I have clarity on it. Well, that understanding that you have when someone shows you the right way, they help you better understand it. That's how we help our customers at Energy Up Solar. Because other solar reps are just selling, they're selling savings, they're selling control, they're selling solar the way that they see it, but it doesn't help homeowners see it the way that it actually is. And our job at Energy Up Solar is not to sell you, it's to help you understand it. If we help you understand it, then you can determine for yourself whether or not it makes sense for you, and it most likely will, because it's a no-brainer when you understand it. So we don't have the high-pressure sales guys. We don't ram a product down your throat. We help you to better understand how it works. We shine light on what it actually is. And from there, you can determine if solar makes sense for you. So log on to energyupsolar.com. You could subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, and you'll learn a lot about solar. We answer everything from solar A to Z if you subscribe to our channel, or you could log on to energyupsolar.com. But let us help you understand it so you can start saving tens of thousands of dollars. And remember this, solar doesn't cost you a dime.